Last Monday we learnt uppercase letter A and sound of A. A sounds A. Today we'll see how to write letter B and sound of B. B. B for ball. B for bus. B for bag. B for balloon. B for bat. B for boy. B for book. B for biscuits. And B for butterfly. So now we'll see how to write letter B.
Hello children, welcome back. In previous class we learned how to write letter A. So today in this class we learn how to write letter B. And it's very easy to write, as you all know, strokes. So it takes one standing line, one close curve and one more close curve. So let's start. See how to write letter B. One standing line and here one close curve. And here once again one close curve. So it becomes B. B sounds ba. What B sounds? B sounds ba. See here once again one standing line, one close curve and one more close curve. Till few kids are unable to write directly by holding the pencil. So for them we can put and give dots like this. One standing line, one close curve and one more close curve. And it becomes B, and we can ask child to trace it on this. Standing line, one close curve, again one more close curve, becomes B. Now you all know what is rainbow writing. So let's write rainbow writing. So you can draw and give like this B to the child. And ask child to trace on this. Take any color crayon and ask child to trace on this B. One standing line, one close curve and again one more close curve. See once again one standing line, one close curve and again one more close curve. So it's called as rainbow writing. Once the child know how to write on the dots, now we can keep the points and ask the child to write. We can guide them. See, from like these 3 dots now I have kept, ask child to join these 3 dots by standing line. Again here one close curve to this dot. Again from this dot to this dot one more close curve. So see here, keep one dot in the red line and one more dot in the blue line. Again in the center, again you can keep dot from different color. And ask the child to draw one straight line, like from red line to blue line, one straight line. Again blue line to blue line, here one more straight line. From red to blue, one close curve. Again here one close curve. So it becomes B, and it should not come above the red line or it should not come below the red line. It should be from red line to blue line like this, B. So once child know to write by joining the dots, we can ask child to write directly without dots like this. Standing line, one close curve and one more close curve. So it becomes B, and B sounds ba.
Now you all know how to write letter B and B sounds ba. Practice it neatly and take care. Thank you.